We're gonna do it again. I want to stand in this circle right here. What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. We're standing in a circle right now. And you guys can probably tell already by looking at the title of this video. You guys can probably already tell by the thumbnail of this video. If you follow me on Instagram, well, you guys already knew. And if you follow me on TikTok, which I do now, you guys already know as well. But without any further ado, I would love to present you guys to the newest member of our group, the one and only Broly. The beautiful Ducati V4 Panigale, or Ducati Panigale V4, I don't know. But welcome, Broly, to the channel. The greatest thing about coming to newly constructed areas is that right there. All this open area, inhabitual places that you can park your booty, your bike, your Broly. Alright, so what we're gonna do up in here. Up in here. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here. So we're gonna go here. Park this right here, because I gotta scoot. Crisis. Mother of God! Okay. There you go. But we're gonna take a little break right here. Hopefully Broly doesn't tip over. Like, even if she did, how would I be able to catch you with one hand? As tough as I may be, I don't think that's happening. What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. We are out in this beautiful location. New development. We got people living in those houses probably looking at me like, what am I doing? But this is the life of a moto vlogger. This is the life that I've chose. And this is the life that you guys have accepted me in, is, you know, a life of a moto vlogger. Right now I'm doing this video and I'm pretty sure it feels creepy as hell to a lot of these people that live in these houses. I'm pretty sure there's a girl staring at me through those windows. But one and only Broly on the channel now. I wanted to do a special reveal, a special video for you guys, but the coronavirus went up my butt. Well, not really, but went up the butt of the world, and everything's on lockdown and stuff like that. I'm healthy, I'm safe, but I haven't been riding, haven't been making videos, because, well, I'm working from home, and blah, 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 blah. Panigale V4. We'll do a proper reveal one day, whenever all this stuff blows over. Like, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be out or not. Probably not, I want to say, but I still see thousands of people walking around. So I know you guys were hoping for a lot, but I just wanted to do a short little introduction to you guys of the bike, of the beautiful Broly. So we're gonna take a second and take some pictures of the beautiful Broly. Look at her, man. This is just, I know you guys wanted a proper reveal. I wanted a proper reveal. You guys want to be a part of the process of us getting the bike, but sometimes, you know, when it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Let me snap some pics and then we'll head out. Pictures are taken. It's time to dip. Like I said, I really wanted to do an official reveal. I wanted to do a lot more, but, you know, life never goes as planned. And me actually buying this bike didn't go as planned either. You know, I had a lot of other bikes in mind and a lot of other stuff that I wanted to do, but once I laid eyes upon this bike, okay. Cat-like reflexes, no bueno. But having this beautiful bike between my thunder thighs, rubbing up against me like a hog, can't complain, man. Can't complain. So let's get up on the streets. Let me ride a little bit and enjoy the world for what it is. Let my mouth open to whatever it does. Keep your ears open for whatever comes out of my mouth. And let's have us a party. And we're off! Time to get down and dirty, man. But when you know in the back of your mind you gotta get off the bike and do something, first of all, you never want to get off the bike, but when you know you have to, God, I hate it. God, do I hate it, man. It feels just like you don't like, it's like sitting on a couch for a lot of people. You just don't want to get up, right? For me, it's the bike. El paisado. I don't know what that means. I want to say it means my bike. Motocicleta, that means bike. What is couch? Pasado, bailando. How slow do you guys walk, man? That is not even a walk. That's not even a stroll. Ooh, supermoto. We can go down there. Amazing would that be. Nah, but whenever I have to get off the bike, I absolutely hate it. I want to get that part out of the way so I can just nuzzle up and nest like a mama bird onto my chiclet. I name a girl Chiclet, by the way. I think it's a very sweet name. Shows character, you know. Short form Chica, which, you know, will be the slutty side of her. Stop it! Gracias. Oh, there's a big bump right there. I always manage to hit the crap down the block. Ready to shoot my shot. This I will never understand. In my life, I will never understand. On my mama, I'd never understand that, man. Why would you ride that kind of cycle? Why, man? When you know stuff like this exists, and people like me exist, why would you go for that? That's like you're not even trying anymore, man. That's like you're not even trying anymore. But we're back on the bike, man. I know a lot of you guys expected it, but a lot of you guys didn't. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys already know what bike we had, because I shared it on there, man. And I had to. Those are my devoted followers who send me DMs. When I post pictures, they comment on it, they like it. They want to be closer to me, you know? Kind of like my little ducklings and I'm the mama bear kind of thing. But like it's one of those things where I just had to share it to them first. But if you want to be one of those devoted followers who follow me on Instagram and TikTok, man, it's at Riding Insane, all platforms. So go check me out, follow me up. It's been like over a month since we've been in lockdown, and who knows how long this is going to go for. And that's absolutely unacceptable for you guys to wait super long just for me to make a review video. So I said F it in the butt, and I said let's go for it. So I just wanted to create a short video for you guys and let you guys know what the bike is before you guys see the first ride. It's a 2019 Ducati Panigale V4. And all its glory with me riding it. So it's the one and only bike in the world because it has me riding it. Me rubbing it down, me doing everything with it. And I also wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I'm safe, I'm happy and healthy. I wish you guys all the best as well. There's going to be a lot of content coming out for the V4 for Broly, because this bike is brand new. We only have 825 miles on it right now at this moment. And my plan is to show you guys every single one of those miles after this video. The R6 is still in the shop. It's a lost cause at this moment, or in this time of life, because of the whole coronavirus and stuff. But everyone is stuck in quarantine, and I just want to start releasing videos. I want to show you guys every single mile on this bike. I don't want to make this an update video, but overall what's going to happen is you guys are going to see almost every single break-in mile that we put on Broly. The entire training process that we're putting Broly in, you guys are going to be a witness to all of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the next videos on the V4. I'm going to keep riding, enjoy my time out after like a month of actually coming out and being on the streets, like legit. But I hope you guys enjoy the videos. I hope you guys enjoy Broly. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you want to catch the latest deets, the latest updates on my life, and see candid pictures of Broly GT2. Nah, I'm gonna let it go. And also follow me on TikTok if you guys like to see short snippets of goodness, you know? I'm trying to take my old clips, make them into shorter clips for everyone's enjoyment. A lot of the content that I haven't released yet, I'm also going to be sharing little tidbits of that as well, because it's a lot easier to edit a video for TikTok rather than YouTube. So if you guys are into any of that stuff, man, follow me on all platforms. Remember to stay safe and stay happy, alright? Remember, it could be a lot worse. And until next time, this is Riding Insane. As always, subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Peace. What up, dog? Crap down the block.
To speak, yeah, quick to change your